Good morning and welcome to Community Conversations. I am Queen Miss Ebony J. You're listening and watching 1230 The Bug Zero Talk Station, 101.1 The Wiz, and 100.3 Cincy's R&B station. This is Community Conversations, where we come to talk about things happening right here in our community and how nonprofit organizations are working to make a difference. We could talk about problems all day long, but kings and queens, we both know that it solves nothing. I'm super excited today because I have three beautiful women joining me who are here representing Interactive Healthcare Institute. And I'm going to go ahead and just introduce these lovely ladies. So first, let's kick it off with our Manager of Education, Miss Crystal. How are you, beautiful?
I'm doing very well, thank you, and thanks for having me today.
Yes, so glad to have you here. We also got Jordan, our marketing queen, who is the marketing manager. Hey, beautiful.
Hi, thanks so much for having us today.
Oh, yes. I'm excited because we get to talk about technology and how you all are being innovative. And then we have, of course, Miss Ashley, who is the manager of clients relations. How are you, beautiful?
I'm good. How are you? Thank you for having us.
I'm good. Now, listen, queens, tell us, what is Interactive Healthcare Institute? What it is that you all do over there?
So it's Innovative Healthcare Institute, and our mission is to reduce disparities in healthcare by means of innovation. And we do that by publishing 4 peer-reviewed medical journals. We have a multimedia magazine. We host a research site in our office space, and we have a managing clinical trials research company. And then we host a couple events each year. So we have our upcoming Advancing Healthcare Innovation Summit, and then we have a couple master classes in between, and a precision oncology forum in March 10th and 11th.
So what made you all really start? How did all of this get started?
So we're founded by Dr. Abdul Rahman Jazzy, who is a world-renowned oncologist and somebody that I describe as a true visionary. So he has dedicated his life to trying to make healthcare globally accessible to everybody. And he started Innovative Healthcare Institute to try to make a difference in the world. And we do that just one person at a time or one group at a time. And we found that sharing knowledge is a efficient way to make a difference in both the physician's world and in the patient's perspective. So we try to showcase what's new, what's out there, what they should be paying attention to. And then we also do things like Innovation Express magazine that's geared to the public. So we explain scientific things that are happening in the healthcare world, but we do it in regular terminology. I wrote an article in there, and it's definitely probably has a comma in the wrong place, and it may not be perfect English, but I think it breaks down exactly what we're trying to describe so the community can understand what they need to be talking to their doctors about or what questions they should be asking. And we just try to do it on all different levels. So it started with a vision from a gentleman who trusted all of us to kind of run with our portions of the company and make it happen.
So when we're thinking about healthcare, and like you said, we want to make sure we dumb it down so everybody can understand it, because a lot of times those are conversations that people don't really want to have. But like you said, I just want to make sure I understand where your all's role. Your goal is to make sure we understand the things that we should be talking to our doctors about, or the things that we should do to make sure our health is in good shape.
Absolutely. So we want to do all of that. We want to teach the physicians what's new out there, what tests are upcoming. We want to talk about the research and the data that goes into the scientific aspect of healthcare. And then we want to explain to the patient what that means to them and why they should be asking certain questions, or what questions they should even ask. Or, I would go to the emergency room for everything if anything happened, but I'm trying to spread the knowledge of how important it is to just have a primary care physician. And there's so many things out there that I think healthcare would be elevated if we just shared that knowledge in different avenues. So that's what we do at AHIS. It's a platform to showcase what's new, what's out there, and we teach it to the doctors, but we also show it to the public. So it's a good mix of everybody that attends. We have everything from like pharmaceutical companies to tools and devices. We proudly have every single hospital organization in the city attending, and they're showcasing what they're doing innovative. We have Northern Kentucky University, we have University of Cincinnati, we have Xavier all involved, and it's just growing daily, where we're just sharing the knowledge and trying to highlight Cincinnati as the global hub of healthcare innovation that it really is.
I love it. So who should attend?
Everyone. We have something for everybody. So we have high school level, some programs for them. We have the amazing Dr. Gaskins coming and talking about thinking outside the box, how to put innovative thinking in the forefront. We have Career Center for young professionals in healthcare. So all of the hospitals are going to have a representative in the recruitment area, where we're talking about what jobs are out there, what programs like the STEM programs that are happening in the city that you can get involved in. So we have everything for the public, but then we have informational and scientific fact and abstract presentations and things of that nature that Crystal could probably describe a little bit more on the scientific level, but something for the physicians and nurse practitioners and pharmacists and anybody in healthcare and anybody interested in maybe getting into healthcare would want to be at this event. It's fully a full range. It's at the Hyatt Regency downtown Cincinnati, so we have space for everybody. Come and enjoy the day with us.
And I will say that it is on November 11th, which is a holiday, and most of the schools are out. So if you're looking for something to do with your children they might be interested in science and math and healthcare and STEM, there's something literally for every single person in the city. So we're really excited about everything that we have to showcase. So it's not just for adults. Young high school kids could come. Last year we had an abstract winner and he was 12. So there's something for everyone, and we really would like everybody to come out and just really get a feel for all of the great things that are happening in the tri-state area.
Now, when you say abstract winner, y'all have different competitions there?
That is correct. So we have poster presentations, we have oral presentations, and we're giving away $10,000 just for an innovative idea. So even if you just come with an idea on how to promote innovation in healthcare, we have experts sitting here waiting to hear your ideas.
Ooh, are you all listening? Okay, it is going down. You do not want to miss the event. I don't want to say it wrong. The Advancing Healthcare Innovation Summit that's happening at Hyatt Regency downtown Cincinnati, and it's going down November the 11th. Now, it's so important for us to understand, our health, right? Where we stand at in our health, but it's also very important that we know how to communicate it. And I just want to say hats off to this organization, because like you said, sometimes we go to the doctor and it's just certain things we don't want to talk about or don't know how to talk about, but this is a platform. This is what this organization does. And I just think that that's so great.
Thank you. It's nice to hear that. We really appreciate that. We've been working really hard to kind of spread this mission, and we just want to help people have a healthy life.
How many members do you all have? How can people get involved with this movement?
So just follow us on social media and we'll share everything that we do. So we're on LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. Innovative Healthcare Institute, and we post our different events. You can check out our website, www.innovativehci.com, and just follow us for what we do. Be involved. We're involved in the community. We love to hear from you. Send us messages of things you think we should be involved in. We all volunteer for a lot of things. The Institute supports a lot of things in the community. So we just want to know what's out there. Our mission is to showcase what others are trying to do to make a difference in healthcare. So if you have something that is in any stage of that and you want us to share it, reach out. We're interested.
If you just tuned in, this is Community Conversations on 1230 The Buzz, your talk station, 101.1 The Wiz and 100.3. Good morning. I am Queen Miss Ebony J in here with 3 beautiful queens who are truly committed to making sure that they showcase what others are doing when it comes to healthcare. And guess what? Innovative Healthcare Institute is having an event that's coming up November 11th, and everybody wants you to come. You're super invited to this event, right? Is this event free?
Totally free.
FREE, you hear me? If it's free, it's for me, okay, Miss Crystal? I'm gonna be up in there then, okay?
I love you.
And look, to top this whole thing off, you might have tuned in at the last minute, but they are making sure that they give back. So while you come, not only will you be able to meet other people in the healthcare profession and be able to get knowledge and be able to learn, but guess what? They're giving out a $10,000 to somebody who comes with a great innovative idea on how we can better help others learn about healthcare. I just think that's amazing. So make sure if you're interested, your kids are interested, or you have an idea as it relates to healthcare, come out and be a part of this. I'm super excited because one of the things that you all said that grabbed my attention is you all have a healthcare magazine. Like what? Where they do that at?
I'll take the lead on that. The healthcare magazine is called Innovation Express Magazine. It is a digital quarterly publication, and we really do try to delve into what's new and innovative in the city, and what you should be following, what questions you should be asking, what things that are new in healthcare. It's really great. And then we also we just try to make sure that we are making the language. We're dumbing it down, not necessarily that you have to be dumb, but just dumbing it down so that everybody can definitely understand. We're making sure that that you don't have any questions lingering. We're making sure that you're making sure to ask the right questions to your doctors and knowing what programs are accessible out there for you. Yeah. So it is really nice. And I think that it's nice that it's a digital publication as well, because we can showcase some of the live interviews that we do with healthcare professionals and other businesses around the city. So
this is so dope. Like, God needs people that are passionate in so many different places. So to hear my beautiful queens, all 3 of them, every time they spoke, and they just sound so excited. But the topic is healthcare. Like, oh my goodness, my hat is off to you ladies, because you all literally got me over here excited. I want to come and just to see how this thing goes.
Please come.
You all are making healthcare fun. Like, oh my goodness, we need more people like you.
Well, that really is the goal. We and I will take my hat off to Ashley, because she really did say she wanted to make this interactive. She wanted to make sure that this is something that the public could enjoy. So it really is for everybody. We really do want everyone to attend.
I'll also say we've seen innovation in so many different industries, and now is the time to innovate healthcare. We have a lot of ideas out there roaming, and let's put our minds together to create a better, healthier, greater Cincinnati area.
And we can. We truly can. I'm super excited just to hear that you all are publishing other medical journalists. People that have been in this field studying different things as it comes to our health. We now get a chance to hear them speak. We never get a chance to hear them speak. We never get a chance to understand their ideas, their visions, or their thoughts. But you all are creating a place for people to come and do that. And I just think that that's totally amazing. On top of that, I hear you said if people are interested in jumping in the field, that there will be resources there for them. Talk to us a little bit about what they can expect when they come.
So we have a team of experts. We even have a law firm gracing our event and giving you some of those legal aspects of it. We didn't even touch on the speakers. These are heavy hitters. So these are a Grammy Award winner in our field. So Dr. Valerie Hardcastle, she's from NKU, and she also is the St. Elizabeth Healthcare Executive Director. In the last 4 years, she has received over $12 million in funding to accelerate innovation in a healthier tomorrow. If we talk about Dr. Graham, oh my goodness, so he's from Dayton, Ohio, and he's the first Chief Innovative Officer. He has several books out there, and we can claim him because he attended the UC College of Medicine school. We can claim him as our own. So this is just a short description of the speakers that will grace our stage, and I definitely encourage everyone to attend.
You all can do they need to get tickets or just RSVP online?
So you can register. Our link is Eventbrite, and we can send that link out. Just do a search for Innovative Healthcare Institute, and you should find us.
And you all can also go on any of our websites. We have a link up that's telling you more details about it. The flyer is there, and it's a link. If you click their name, Innovative Healthcare Institute, it'll lead you right to their website. So again, any information that you heard here today, if you want to learn more, get details, or possibly volunteer, because we know there's always need for volunteers and help, right, ladies?
That is correct.
For real. So if you're interested, please make sure that you do not hesitate to connect with them, and please share your social media for us one more time, just for those who may just be tuning in.
Ashley, you can take that.
Okay. So on all the platforms, it's Innovative HCI.
Innovative HCI, that's Instagram and Facebook. You all on Twitter, y'all be throwing out tweets?
Yes, we do.
And see what? We got the healthcare professionals giving us helpful information throughout the day. This is great. I am super excited. I'm trying for 2023 to make sure we bring on different organizations that do different things. And I'm so glad that you all were able to come on just to kind of set that atmosphere as we're moving into a new wave. But just, again, healthcare is important. Your health is important. And as you can see, these three beautiful ladies are making sure that they dedicate their time to make sure that you know that there's so many people out here that want to help. There's so many ways that we can showcase health in a fun way, in an innovative way. So if you're interested, make sure, again, Innovative HT on any of the platforms, make sure you get connected, and you can always go onto their website. Is it I don't have anything with the website written. What's the website, ladies?
It's www.innovativehci.com.
HCI.com. Thank you all again for coming and joining me today. I'm super excited, and I cannot wait to the event. I want to be in the building so that way I can see all of this healthcare, and make sure you all are following us on all the platforms, because I'm going to go live so you all can see it as well.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
No problem, ladies. You all enjoy the rest of your day. And if you all need anything else or want to share any more details with our listeners, please feel free to just connect with me, okay?
Definitely. You're amazing as always.
This is 1230 The Buzz, your talk station on 101.1 The Wiz 100.3, Cincy's R&B station. Again, if you are interested, do not let this year go by and you have not put your health first. There's so many great people that are going to be in the room. There may be questions that you've been dying to know that you just want to ask someone. They have amazing guests that are going to be there. You do not want to miss this event. Again, it is November the 11th, and it's going to be at the Hyatt Regency downtown. Advancing Healthcare Innovation Summit. Make sure you log on to our website for more details. I am Queen Miss Ebony J. See you next week. This is Community Conversations.